Hey, this is Vince with Master Remodelers. We're going to be starting a new series of videos here, some of our favorite features in the kitchen. Today you can see we're going to be starting at the kitchen sink. This faucet is made by Delta, American-made company. One of the things we really love about Delta faucets is that you can find replacement parts for them at almost any hardware store in the country. So the first feature we love about this faucet is this ring that you see right here. It's kind of a clear white looking ring. And if you notice, when I turn the water on, that ring lights up and changes color. Red, obviously, is going to tell us that the water is hot. Then when I switch back here, you can see that ring changes to blue. So this ring right here is going to turn blue when the water is cold, and then turn red when the water gets hot. That's a great safety feature for both kids and senior citizens that may need an indicator of whether the water is hot or cold other than touching it. Something else that we love about this faucet is the magnetic pull-down cable. This magnetically locks into place. Also is textured here on the handle, allowing you to grip that better. And you can see the tall gooseneck of this faucet allows you to easily fill pots and pans. So that's the first video we're doing in our favorite things around the kitchen. This is Vince with Master Remodelers.